and welcome to Mayosh Club. This is Sayed Faizan Heather with you. Today, the topic of discussion is very important, and this question is being asked by many practitioners. This question or this subject is under discussion with management from a very long time in many of the organizations. How can we improve our workplace safety? Okay, so the answer to this question or the ways how we can improve our workplace safety is first of all that we're gonna discuss today is safety communication. How we can improve our workplace safety by doing an effective communication within the organization. So, under the umbrella of safety communication, there are several things. I would just take some examples like there are safety meetings, there are safety committee meetings, there are toolbox talks, internal trainings and awareness sessions, safety campaigns. So many activities safety practitioners are doing in the organization to improve the workplace safety. But based on our experience, based on our knowledge, we analyzed, we realized that there is something really that is missing in the industry, and we really need to focus on it. And we got some, uh, good information from the researchers across the world, and that we're gonna discuss with you today. So first of all, under the safety communication, I will not touch up all the aspects, but just one element, that is importance of engagement of middle management, or you can simply call it supervisors. Supervisors are available in all the industries. If you take an example of construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, any industry, supervisors are there. These are the people who are involved with our shop floor employees or on-site employees 8 hours a day, 12 hours a day. Every day these people are directing the shop floor employees or workforce every day. So these are the people who are really engaged with the workforce, who are doing the hands-on job. So why not we consider them to engage in the safety trainings, in the sessions, in the meetings. So these things are actually scattered in the industry. People are doing meetings also with them, different things are happening, but the outcomes are not are not getting, we are not getting the desired results that we are looking for. So when we did the research, we analyzed, we realized, we came up with some data, and that data I want to share with you guys today. There is an industrial global research that happened, and they finalized. They have given the results, and those results are that the communication that is happening from middle management to employees, it is holding the highest percentage. The 55 percentage of the total information that employees are receiving within the organization is from their supervisors. There are other sources as well, other sources of information as well. Grapevine is one of the source of information for employees. Grapevine is nothing but is like a informal communication that is happening between manager, supervisor to employees. That is also holding a nice, a good percentage. 39% is the percentage of information. There are certain other things that I'll discuss. There is one more thing, that is policies, procedures, written documents, that is also holding a good percentage for the sake of information, 32%. After that, bulletin boards where people can get the informations. We usually put some signboards, we put some notices, some circulars, inter-office memos, some policies on the bulletin boards. So this is also a source of information. It is also holding a good percentage, that is 31.5%. And also there is one more thing, that is small group chats, small group meetings or discussions or brainstorming, you can say. That is also holding a good number, that is 28%. But now the problem is what is happening. The frequency, or you can say the hierarchy of these sources of information is not correct in the industry, in any of the industry. If you just take an example of small group meetings, the actual industry ranking as per the studies is 5. The small group meetings are placed at a rank of 5. The percentage of source of information is 28. But actually, the preferred or the recommended rank for this kind of meetings should be 2. If you just go a little up the bulletin boards, the bulletin boards are having actually in the industry a rank of 4, but actually in the recommendation by the researchers or the industrial experts is 9. So it means that bulletin boards are very often used in the industry, holding the information of 31.5%, but the industrial experts are recommending this source of information at ninth number. And if you just go up one more level, the policies, handbooks, written procedures, actually in the industry today, it is at a rank of 3, but the recommendation from the experts is 4. And another thing, if you just go one more level up and we go to grapevine, the informal communication that is happening, this is the most happening activity for the sake of passing on information, and in the industry it is at a level of 2, currently at a rank of 2. But if you just look at the industrial experts recommendation for this particular activity to pass on the information is number 15. It's far away. So if you just analyze this data, if you just analyze this information, you'll come to know that what the activities that we are doing is fine, but the hierarchy of these activities, the sequence of these activities are not accurate, because we might be giving more information on the bulletin boards, we might be giving more information through grapevine, we might be giving more information through policies, procedures, and handbooks, whereas it is not recommended or it is not suggested, because the weightage of the information transfer or retention of information, the weightage is less as per the recommendations. So we need to just set out, we just need to refine the activities as per the recommended or suggested industrial experts sequence for these activities. So the one thing that is common in the industry is the immediate supervisors information that is passed by supervisors to the employees. Currently it is happening at a, and actually it is happening at a number of 1, and the preferred ranking is also 1, because it is holding the most highest number of information or highest percentage of information, that is 55%. So 55% of the information is passed from supervisors to employees. So we agree on this, that we will continue these activities and we will continue to share the information through supervisors to our shop floor employees or on-site employees. The second thing that we need to include to increase the number of or the data or the information that we want to pass on to the employees, we need to add one more thing, that is a small group meetings, that is holding a 28% information weightage, and we can add up and that is also the second preferred or the second suggested methodology to enhance the communication. So we can hold two things together, the meetings or the communication between the supervisors, as well as the small group meetings with the supervisor along with the blue collar team, or you can say the shop floor teams. So that can give you a very nice percentage, that is above 80%. Above 80% information, whatever you want to share with the respective employees, you can share through this platform. How we can do it, the industry what can do, or what companies are also practicing, is conducting the supervisors meeting or the middle management meetings, where you can train them, where you can make them realize that you guys are responsible for safety, you guys are holding certain roles certain responsibilities and accountabilities towards health and safety. Because most of the cases what we have experienced in our past years, that supervisors most of the time they are just looking at a KPI of production, they are looking at a KPI of cost reduction and other operational stuff, but safety is never been considered as a KPI for supervisors. So we need to hold them back, we need to bring them on board where they can realize their roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities towards health and safety. So, this platform of conducting the meetings with supervisors on a regular basis, where we can realize all this stuff to them, and we can share all that data with them, and the same information they can cascade down to their respective employees, and where we can a good number of information, a right information that is required, we can share with our employees who are really doing the operational things, and we can make our workplace safer. So by doing these activities, we can, end of the day, we can improve our workplace safety, we can improve the workplace culture, the people can be more focused towards health and safety. And there is one more very critical point, that why supervisors or this middle management is important, because most of the time of the day, if you talk about 8 hours or 12 hours a day, we being a safety practitioner or managers, we are not whole day engaged with the employees. Maybe 1 hour 2 hour a day we are meeting them, we are having discussions with them. But who is having a full day coordination, a full day discussions with the employees, is the middle management. So we need to target these people, we need to train them, we need to make them realize their roles, responsibilities. So when these guys are well aware of the process, when these guys are well aware of the organizational health and safety requirements, regulatory requirements, the compliance requirements, and the other health and safety procedures of the company, these guys can direct their employees in a very right way, and they can perform the work safely, and we can have a safe production, and we can have a safe outcomes for the organization. And this is all I can say at this point of time for this particular topic. And if you guys have any suggestion, recommendation to make this platform more easier for the people to understand, or any other specific or precisely discussion topics, if you want to add, you guys can just comment, and I'll just consider into it, and we can have a discussion on that, on those topics as well. So thank you so much, guys, for your time, for watching this video. And again, welcome to my Osh Club. The purpose of this club is to enhance, to improve the safety knowledge and experience with all the practitioners around the globe. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day ahead.